Holy shit, guys. Strawberry update. Hello. All the leaves have doubled in size. Like, I don't know if you see this. They're all huge. In the other videos, and you can go back and take a look, there was these two big ones here. One here and one kind of down there somewhere. And they were huge. They were bigger than my hand. But now all of them have exploded. They've doubled in size to like what they were before previously. And yeah, like I said, no fertilizer, no nothing. The only thing I've done is put this rod, and I put a quartz stone into the top there because somebody online said it fucking does something. I don't know. I'm trying it. But after I put that quartz stone in there a week after, that's when the leaves got huge. Now, I don't think that's why it happened, but I think whatever this whole Electroculture copper rod thing is, I think it definitely does work. I've never seen strawberries get like this. This is huge, and there's so many strawberries all around, just like just forming and getting ready. Like they're literally everywhere, and I can't wait. I ate some the other day, and they're sweet, they're delicious, and I did nothing to the soil besides the copper, the rod, and then the copper wire. But yeah, no, it's awesome. I suggest you guys try this. Just even try it indoors. People say it works both outdoors and indoors, but I've only tried it indoors here and with my blueberries, and wow, this is amazing.